Assalamu alaikum, I'm Salman Khan from Worldofitech. In this tutorial, we will learn some basic HTML examples. Don't worry, if we use tags you have not learned about yet. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. For example, content could be structured within a set of paragraphs, a list of bulleted points, or using images and data tables. HTML documents. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, doctype HTML. The HTML document itself starts with HTML and ends with angle brackets /HTML. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and angle brackets /body. Example: doctype HTML, HTML body heading 1, my first heading P, my first paragraph body HTML. Right click and click on open in other browsers. Select your required browser, Google Chrome. My first heading, my first paragraph. The doctype declaration. The doctype declaration represents the document type and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. It should just show up once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doctype declaration is not case sensitive. The doctype declaration for HTML5 is doctype HTML. HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading. H6 defines the least important heading. HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are defined with the P tag. Example: this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph. HTML links. HTML links are defined with the A tag. Example: Href, Worldofitech.com. This is a link. The link's destination is specified in the Href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. You will learn more about attributes in later tutorial. HTML images. HTML images are defined with the img tag. The source file src, alternative text, alt, width and height are provided as attributes. Example: img src Worldofitech.jpg alt worldofitech.com with 104, height 142. The href attribute example. The href attribute refers to a destination provided by a link. The a anchor tag is dead without the href attribute. Sometimes in your workflow you don't want a live link or you won't know the link destination yet. For this situation, it's useful to set the href attribute to hash to create a dead link. The href attribute can be used to link to local files or files on the internet. For example, you can see, right click, open in other browsers, Google Chrome. Href attribute example, click on the registration page, create your account. How to view HTML source. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hi, how did they do that? View HTML source code. Right click on an HTML page and select view page source in Chrome or view source in Edge or other browsers. This will open a window containing the HTML source code of the page. You can see, inspect an HTML element. Right click on an element or a blank area and choose inspect or inspect element to see what elements are made of. You will see both the HTML and the CSS. You can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the elements or styles panel that opens. This is about the HTML basic examples, and I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down. and also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more tutorials like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. And feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.